Hey, Dad. Just wanted to show you my website and show you my studio. So, the website that you're looking at over here is pretty straightforward. So, when you click the link, you'll come here. When you scroll down, all of these entries here are my episodes. So, you can click the play button to listen. If you want to skip back, you can rewind 30 seconds. Oh, this also, when it's playing and you press it again, it'll pause it. Here's how much time is left in the episode. This is the skip forward, in case, because sometimes I have ads, but it's always me reading them. I'm never just throwing an ad in there. This is subscribe to the show, but if you're going to the website, you don't need to worry about subscribing. This is download the episode. So if you want to put it on your computer and have it as a file, you can do that. This is if you have a website, somebody wants to take the player and put it on there if they want. And then this is share the episode. So if you click that, you can share it on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest. Yeah, so that's my website. So here are all the episodes. When you go down, and if you click on the title, it will bring you to the blog post for it. So you could read about where I got the information, how to get my book. These are for people who support the show, and they send money to support the show, which is really nice. And then here are all my links for social media. Let's see. Yeah, and then you could just go to the back button and click on another episode. And they used to come out once a week. I've kind of taken a step back from them for the summer, but they're a lot to listen to. I think I'm on episode something like 150. So, and if it doesn't load, yeah, it'll keep loading, and you could do that. I think when you go into an episode, so this is the story behind Pantyhose. You could also go to the categories. So if there's something that you really like science or tools. Tools is fun. I've done some series. So I did luck and superstitions for a whole month. I talked about those. I talked about, when I went on maternity leave, when I had Cam, I did the We Didn't Start the Fire series, and I did the story behind everything that Billy Joel sings in the song We Didn't Start the Fire. And the other series I did a Clue series. That was one of my favorites. I did the story behind all 6 of the murder weapons from the game and the movie Clue, the original murder weapons, because now they're updated. Yeah, and I mean, this goes as far back as the show. So if you want to go to the really old episodes that are a little quieter, it was before I got better at editing. Yeah, you could go all the way back there. This is Binge Listen. Actually, if you click on this brings you to just one player, just one single page with all the episodes. So when you play this, it'll just play back and back and back and back if you want. And I think I put some of the series on here as well. Yeah, Forrest Gump. I did a Forrest Gump series where I did the story behind 10 different things from Forrest Gump. And yeah, so that's pretty much my website, and enjoy.